या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Namaste, Namaskar from Dr. Payal Gaurav Mehta from GLS University Faculty of Law. Today I'll talk about something that is very important in my life, that is my story. As every story begins, एक कहानी सुनते हैं. Once upon a time, एक वक्त की बात थी, एक रानी थी. तो ये कहानी है एक रानी की, राजा की नहीं. यूजुअली हम सुनते हैं एक था राजा एक थी रानी, पर ये कहानी एक रानी की है. एज अ चाइल्ड आई वॉज वेरी calm. I was the eldest in my family, so I learned that you have to be careful about everything. सबका ध्यान रखना है, सबके साथ रहना है, सबसे मिलजुल के रहना है, and you have to be always a very good person. That is how I have learned, and I carried away that thing in me. Something that I always loved, that was studies. I loved studying. मुझे पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता था, वो मैं करती गई, and I decided that I will become an IAS officer as a child. Then back to it, story में एक leap आता है, ऐसे ही एक leap आया. In the year 2001, it was earthquake in Gujarat. Epicenter was Bhuj, but it affected Gujarat as well, Ahmedabad as well. I was staying in Ahmedabad. I was staying on the 9th floor. हमारी पूरी building भी it was shaking. It was very terrible experience for all of us, for my family, for all of us, and we have to move out. बहुत बुरा टाइम देखा उस वक्त, बट एक चीज़ सीख ली लाइफ से, दैट बुरा टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा वक्त के लिए नहीं रहता. इट जस्ट वेट्स फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन इट पासेस एंड द अदर टाइम इज़ वेटिंग फॉर यू. That was the best thing that I learned. That incident 2001 changed so many things in life. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कुछ भी डिसाइड लाइफ में करना ही नहीं चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट टू बी IAS ऑफिसर, आई वॉन्ट टू बी दिस, आई वॉन्ट टू बी दैट. यू नेवर नो कि अगले मोमेंट पे क्या होने वाला है. एंड 26 जनवरी जब ये अर्थक्वेक आया, इट वॉज माई बर्थडे. वी वर सेलिब्रेटिंग. पीपल दोज हु केम आउट फॉर विशिंग मी, द बेस्ट पार्ट वॉज दैट पर्सन सर्वाइव्ड इन भुज बिकॉज ही केम आउट टू विश मी ऑन माई बर्थडे एंड ही कुड सर्वाइव. उसका पूरा घर टूट गया. हिज मदर पास्ड अवे, but he survived because he was not at home at that particular time. So that was the best moment for me. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि indirectly भी आप किसी की लाइफ में कुछ रोल प्ले करते हो, निमित्त बन जाते हो. After that I changed my plans, that there has to be no plan at all. And number 2, if there is plan A, there are many letters in ABCD. One should not stick to only A. There has to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G and up to Z, and perhaps more than that. So we can go with that. That is what I learned in the year 2001. In 2003, at the age of 21, I got married, and my life again changed 360 degree, as I always planned myself as a working woman, as somebody who is into working field. And now it was completely changed. गृहस्थी शुरू हुई. Of course the beginning is always pinky for everyone, and मुझे पता चलता गया कि क्या 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 लाइफ में होता है. लाइफ इज़ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक जगलिंग, सर्कस होता है, और जिसमें आपको सब बैलेंस करना पड़ता है. आई लर्नड न्यू रोल्स. माई लाइफ started in different colors, and we had, in 2006 I had my first child. At that time I lost my father, and it was first and last attack for him, and he was just 51 and he died with the sudden heart attack. एक लाइफ मेरी ज़िंदगी में आई and एक लाइफ चली गई, and I was not knowing what to do, how to react. I was very happy for my first child. I was sad because my father left me, and it just happened in the same year, in the same month. Soon after my delivery, after 15 days, my father passed away. So it was, मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि मुझे खुश होना है या मुझे दुखी होना है, मैं रोऊं या हंसूं. Everything was scattered and it was sudden, so I had many other responsibilities as well. Even though with a small child I had to work, अगेन आई लिव बैक, आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग। मेरी जर्नी शुरू हुई प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में बाय मैनेजिंग माई किड एंड टू मैनेज माई इन लॉज, to manage husband, all household responsibilities, and to give your best in your professional life as well. After that, again, it was the year 2015 when I decided that it is my call, when I promised myself to give something back to the society. During this decade, what I did was I completed my dream of studying. Even after my marriage, I completed my MBA, I completed my LLB, I completed my LLM, and I started with my PhD. It was the year 2015 when I enrolled for PhD. PhD was the research journey when I realized that I want to go into the field which is less traveled, and it was the field of mompreneurs. Mompreneur is the term, the one who is a mother and the one who is an entrepreneur. एक मदर की जॉब होती है 24 आवर्स, इट नेवर एंड्स। उसका कोई संडे नहीं होता, उसका कोई और ऑफ नहीं होता। शी इज़ वर्किंग, एंड entrepreneur is the another person who has to work 24/7. Now imagine the person who is a mom, who is an entrepreneur, mompreneur, who has to manage 24 hours into 24 plus 24 hours का job. So how would she do? That is something I intend to do my PhD, my research work upon. I started working and I realized कि बहुत सारे सोशल मीडिया पे प्लेटफॉर्म है, बहुत सारी बातें होती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें इस पे होती है, but there is no hardcore academic research on this particular field. And I started my journey. And in that, once again, the life has different plans. As I started in 2015, in the year 2016, I had my second child, my second pregnancy. Soon after my second son was born, my mother-in-law passed away. The life taught me the same thing, that you cannot expect a life without something is taken away from you. That is what I learned from the life. कुछ भी permanent नहीं होता. Again, I did not know what to do, to laugh or to cry. I could never celebrate my best moments because at that time I always had something on head which stopped me for the celebration. और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why am I always targeted? Why इतना सारा दुख क्यों होता है? And all these things. I was going on the path of this journey, and again in the period of 1.5 year mom, I lost my mother as well. So it was, I lost my parents, I had no mother-in-law, I had father-in-law, I had sister-in-laws, I had husband and my family, all the things, but I was the only one who had to look after all the things. I already started my PhD journey, and that is where the point came. I started doing my PhD journey without thinking about anything that had happened. I started interviewing the mompreneurs. And by listening to their stories, I learned that it was not I. There are many people who had been through a lot, जिन्होंने इतना सहा है that I cannot keep blaming myself or the circumstances or the situation for anything. मुझे तो I have been blessed. That is what I learned in the journey of my life, that people आते हैं, लोग जाते हैं, रुकना नहीं है. One has to walk on the path, whatever has been decided for you, whatever is there for you. ये गुजरात है, ये अहमदाबाद है, ये वो भूमि है जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की है, ये वो भूमि है जहाँ देवी पूजी जाती है, ये वो भूमि है जहाँ पे नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेट होती है. The longest dance festival in the world, that is Navratri, that has been celebrated only in Gujarat. So I'm very proud of that Navratri is something that is Gujarat's iconic thing. And now when we say Nav, it means 9. When we say Nav, it means new. When we say Nav, it means something that is getting created. And today we are also 9. So Nav is something that is coincidentally something. And yes, Navratri is celebrated where each night is dedicated to each deity. Say for example, each lady is deity in herself. देवी माना जाता है भारत में हर स्त्री को. शतरूपा मतलब 100 और more than 100, thousands are ऑराज आर देयर इन अ डेटी, बहुत सारे रूप है एक औरत के, उसमें से 9 रूप जो है, इसीलिए हम बोलते हैं नवदुर्गा, नवदुर्गा स्वरूप. एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई लर्नड इन माय जर्नी, दैट every lady has one deity in herself. If she discovers that divine deity within, she would surely flourish. You have to identify what you are. Are you Kalratri? Are you Navdurga? Are you Gauri? Are you the Gauri? What are you? आपका कॉल क्या है? अगर आप खुद को पहचान लो, आपको वो पता चल जाए, then you will surely flourish. कुष्मांडा, इट मीन्स द वन, द लेडी हु हैज़ नथिंग, पर वो एक में से ब्रह्मांड पूरा सर्जन कर सकती है. दैट इज़ हाउ द 9 नाइट्स आर डिवोटेड टू ईच डेटी, एंड दैट इज़ वॉट आई लर्नड इन माई जर्नी. I could identify the deity in me. If each lady, those who are watching or those who are listening to it, if they can find out which deity is within them and they can discover it, and if they can expand on that, they will surely flourish in life. And finally, my learning is, I have learned in my life journey that one needs to be more humble. My journey has made me more humble, to be more thankful to God. And yes, as I said, there has to be more plans in life. You cannot stick to only one plan. ये नहीं होता तो और कुछ नहीं होगा, सारे दरवाजे बंद, never. And everyone has a story which needs a listener. So just find your listener and you will be able to understand yourself in a better way. And never believe in the things when people say एक औरत कभी दूसरी औरत की दोस्त नहीं हो सकती. No, it's wrong. You are being cheated by all these things. एक औरत ही दूसरी औरत के साथ खड़ी रहती है. That is how it goes. And finally, I would like to end it with a beautiful song that is, हम जो चले साथ चलने लगे हैं रास्ते, मंजिल से बेहतर लगने लगे हैं ये रास्ते. It means sometimes more than destination, journey matters. And that is how I have shared my journey to you. खुद से खुद तक. नमस्कार. Thank you.